In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Sportybet app quickly and easily. Whether you're an eager sports fan looking to place your bets on your favorite teams or just curious about exploring new apps, this guide will take you through the entire download process in 5 minutes or less. So, grab your smartphone and let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser on your mobile device. It can be any browser of your choice, whether it's Chrome, Safari, or any other internet browser you're comfortable using. Once you're there, you'll want to type in the URL, www.sportybet.com. This is the official website of Sportybet, and it's where you will find all the information you need about the app and its features. Once you've landed on the Sportybet homepage, take a moment to look around. You might notice various options and links, but don't worry, it's quite straightforward. What you want to focus on is the section labeled Apps. This is typically found in the main menu or sometimes at the bottom of the page, depending on the layout of the website. Clicking on this will lead you to the app download page. Now, it's time to choose the version of the app that's compatible with your device. If you're using an Android phone, you'll select the Android version. Alternatively, if you're on an iPhone or another iOS device, go ahead and choose the iOS version. This ensures that you download the correct app for your smartphone, optimizing performance and ensuring a seamless installation process. After selecting the appropriate app version, you should see a button labeled Download. Clicking on this button will begin the download process. Before you proceed, make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the download. It's also worth noting that downloading the app directly from Sportybet's official website ensures you're getting the official version, which is usually more secure and updated with the latest features. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder or notification panel to open the app installation file. Follow the prompts to install the app, and if your device asks for any permissions, make sure to grant them to ensure the app functions properly. Remember, most apps will need access to certain features on your device, such as location or storage, to give you the best experience possible. And there you have it. You're now ready to explore all that the Sportybet app has to offer. From live sports updates to placing bets, you're equipped for a thrilling experience. Thanks for tuning into this guide, and enjoy using the Sportybet app.